work in construction because they just suck at it, is what a lot of people on social media think. And the difference is, I'm no more sucky than any man. Only I film my mistakes and post them on social media. And you guys know me by now, I film a lot of information. Sorry mum. Which is why some people call me a shit bricklayer, but in reality, I'm a realistic bricklayer. My dad used to say to me, you don't get paid to lay it to work. But then the wise guy says you can never be late to work because it's always there when you get there. But my friend at work said, if you're on time, you're already late. To be honest, it's quite the miracle that I get out of bed at all.